Subscription box branding is more than monthly goodies. It's about creating an experience your audience loves. Start with your why. A clear vision and mission build emotional connections that outshine the products inside. Visual branding matters. Logos, colors, and typography set tone, personality, and recognition across channels. Craft a signature brand voice that's consistent, playful, bold, or serene across emails, social media, and packaging. Unboxing should feel like theater. Personalized notes, tailored items, and inserts like QR codes or backstories elevate loyalty. Build a community, not just a customer list, through social storytelling, feedback, VIP perks, and exclusive drops. Stand out with innovation, maintain consistency, and scale with purpose. Want a subscription box that captivates and keeps customers coming back? We create brands that deliver stories, not just products.